नमस्कार। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर एबीपी न्यूज की मेरा घर मेरा हक मुहिम का बहुत बड़ा असर हुआ है। बिल्डरों से परेशान लोगों की कहानियां दिखाने का असर यह हुआ है कि बिल्डरों के खिलाफ संसद में आज उठी है आवाज। नोएडा के बिल्डरों की ज्यादतियों के खिलाफ संसद में आज आवाज उठी है और यूपी के मिर्जापुर की सांसद अनुप्रिया पटेल ने आम्रपाली, अंतरिक्ष समेत कई बिल्डरों के नाम लेकर परेशान लोगों की आवाज आज संसद में बुलंद की। अनुप्रिया ने धोनी का नाम तो नहीं लिया, लेकिन आम्रपाली विवाद में सेलिब्रिटी की जिम्मेदारी पर भी सवाल उठा दिए। एबीपी न्यूज की ये मुहिम मेरा घर मेरा हक का बहुत बड़ा असर हुआ है। ये मामला अब उठा है संसद में।
I wish to draw the attention of the House towards the recent protest against the real estate developers and builders in the NCR region who are like Amrapali Group, Antariksh Group, JP Group and such others who are not fulfilling their commitments and promises to hand over the houses timely to the buyers. Madam, this is not a new phenomena in the NCR region. People here have been facing this problem for almost 3 years, wherein the developers and builders are delaying the handing over of possession for 4 years in certain cases, even for longer periods. Ordinary citizens from middle income groups are investing their lifetime savings and future earnings in a dream to get a roof above their head, but they feel cheated and they're left helpless and disappointed. And what further complicates the problem is the fact that we have celebrity endorsements. Madam, in our country, people not just love and admire celebrities, but they worship them and perceive them as gods and role models. So when a celebrity is endorsing a product or a brand, people's faith is strengthened. So celebrities may not have an intent to harm anyone, but because they are, kind of promoting a brand, they tend to unintentionally or intentionally, dictate consumer choices. And that is why I feel they do have a moral obligation. I'm proud my government has recently brought and given the Real Estate Act 2016 to the nation, which is aimed at making the real estate sector in India more transparent and accountable, and also aimed at weeding out all the problems and malpractices more timely. I only appeal to my government that the act is implemented as soon as possible so that people do not go through this financial stress anymore. They do not lose their hard-earned money, and more than that, their dream to possess a house to some of the mal-intentioned builder lobby. Early implementation will definitely wipe the tears of the suffering lot, and our celebrities will also be regulated so that they do not become part of this public harassment process.
तो आपके हक आपके घर की आवाज उठा रहे एबीपी न्यूज की मुहिम का बहुत बड़ा असर हुआ है, क्योंकि देश की संसद में बिल्डर्स की मनमानी का मामला उठा है आज।